Okay, so this is to discuss the question. Okay, so this is the piece of paper and the radiation is traveling from left to right. So just to indicate, so let's say that this is the left and this is the right. Okay, so it's traveling, say, in this direction. So it's going like this. It's entering the paper in this direction from left to right. So okay, so your radiation is coming in that way. And we also have the magnetic field in this paper. So the magnetic field is perpendicular into the paper. So perpendicular into the paper, so that means our magnetic field, I'm going to draw with another color. So let's say we go for brown color. So let's say the magnetic field is perpendicular. So it's going in this way. Okay, so it's into the paper. So probably what that means is this is north and this is south. And based on the information in the question, we know that the alpha particle is being deflected to the top of the page. So when they say it's being deflected to the top of the page, what that means is that the top of the page, what that means is that, okay, so on the page itself, right? So this part here is the top of the page and this side will be the bottom of the page, B, bottom. All right, so let's say if I label the page, so this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D, right? So A and B will be the top part, and C and D will be the bottom part of the page. So the question tells us that the alpha particle is being deflected to the top of the page. So it's going like that to the top of the page. So that is your alpha. So that means the beta will be going in the other direction. So the beta is going to your bottom of the page. So that is your beta. Okay. So beta is going to the bottom of the page. Okay. Okay, so we have alpha particle to the top and beta to the bottom. So let's say if we were to draw a line, okay, so I'm going to draw a line, a dotted line from the top to the bottom. Okay, so the electron flow is towards the bottom, right? So it's towards the bottom. So that's the electron flow. So electron. So if electron flow is towards the bottom, what does that tell us about current? In which way is current moving? So current, that means will be the opposite way, right? So current will be actually going in the opposite direction. So current will actually be from the bottom to the top, because we know that the current flow is opposite to the electron flow. So in this situation, current is flowing from bottom to the top. This is conventional current. Huh? So if you want to cancel the effect of this situation, then what you have to do is you need to make current to flow in the opposite direction. So current will have to flow towards the bottom of the page. Then only it will cancel the effect of this flow. And it has to be along the plane of the page. So when we say plane of the page, that means it's the same level as the paper. It is not perpendicular to the paper. So like magnetic field is perpendicular to the paper, but this one is, it is along the paper, not perpendicular. So that is what was mentioned in the answers, right? So they said that it has to be in the plane of page. So that means it's along the page and it's from top to bottom.